In today's video, I am going to teach you how to contact Brevo support. If you have run into an issue, need help with a setting, or simply want to ask a question about your account, reaching support is usually quick once you know where to click. I will guide you through the exact path inside your Brevo dashboard, step by step. First, log into your Brevo account. Make sure you are using the account that has the workspace or project you need help with. When you are logged in, you should arrive at your Brevo dashboard. Take a moment to look for the top right area of the screen, because that is where the help options live. Logging in first matters because the support links you see depend on what is available for your account and plan. Next, click the question mark icon, which is located at the top right corner of your dashboard. This icon is commonly used for help and support resources. When you click it, a menu should appear. If you do not see anything right away, check that you click the icon itself and then wait a moment for the menu to load. This step matters because it is the gateway to support tools that are specific to the Brevo interface you are using. Now, from the Support menu, select Support and Tickets. Then choose Contact Your Support Team. This is the point where you move from general help into actual support communication. Look closely at the wording because you should be aiming for the option that directs you to contact the support team. Once you select it, the page or panel should open where you can interact with support. At this stage, you should see options that allow you to reach support in different ways. Depending on what your account allows, you may be able to open a support ticket. A support ticket is a structured request you submit to the support team, and it helps them track your issue over time. If you choose to open a ticket, you will generally be able to describe what you need help with and submit it for review. Take your time and make sure your message clearly explains the situation, since that will help support respond faster and more accurately. After you open a support ticket, you may also have additional support routes if you are on a higher plan. Specifically, if you are on a professional or enterprise plan, you can find the relevant phone support number for your country from the same area. This is important because phone support is only shown for certain plan types. So if you do not see a phone number option, that typically means your plan does not include that phone support feature. To confirm you are looking in the right place, scroll or review the support options on the page you opened. If your plan includes phone support, the phone support number should appear for your country. If you are in doubt, pay attention to the country selection or the label that indicates which region the number belongs to, and then use the number that matches your location. Once you submit your ticket or prepare to use phone support, you are done with the main navigation steps. You have successfully reached the support resources inside Brevo and taken the next action, either by creating a support request or locating the phone option available for your plan. The key thing to remember is that the path starts with logging in, then uses the question mark icon, and then goes through the support and tickets area to contact the team. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.